Hi guys, I would like to test this glider because I changed the motor and the ask, so I would like to see how it can fly. Let's see. I do some riding test before. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. It's so powerful, this motor. Wow. I got some height. Wow. Oh, it's too much accelerate. So the wind is blowing there in that high. But the bird is feel the thermal activity. Oh, what a lift there. Oh, I turned the motor off now. So let's see. I think that very warm weather today, so I think I catch some thermal above the trees, but the wind is blow from north, so it's very tricky to a little bit slope soar. Oh my god. I got some height because I don't want to reach the trees. Oh my god, I don't see your glider. Well, so I know that my propeller is blowing because the wind is very strong. So this wind is blowing my propeller. Nice one.